Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add and bulk edit wearable products in WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, you can see in here that I have in here my product page open on my WooCommerce dashboard. So I have in here some wearable products, like for example, this one and also this one. So what we can do is we can click on this icon or square icon near them and then just click on it and then just choose the products that you want to actually edit out. Once you have done that, you can see in here this bulk actions. You can click on this edit right here. Now in here, click on apply and now you can bulk edit in here these options or this product that you have chosen. Now you can see in here the comment, status, product data as well, and sale, weight, shipping, and all of that right here, as well as the product categories, stock, and all of that. What you can do is you can just head over and then just put in here some changes you have that you want to actually change on this particular products. You have in here the comments and all of these things, as well as the visibility, product categories, sold individually, and all of this right here. You can also change up some things. And once you're done with that, click on this update option, and then from in there, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.